Imagine if you're able to play some games and earn money at the same time. Wouldn't that be so fun? It sounds absolutely insane. How about maybe doing small tasks and then getting rewarded by doing it? It really sounds like a dream. But what if I tell you that this is actually true and you're gonna learn all about it live? What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. We're now back again with another amazing method, another amazing strategy that I had just discovered. It's absolutely fascinating. I've never ever witnessed a method as amazing as this one. With 3 great websites, you're going to be able to make a lot of money online, making a lot of money, making huge amounts, up to $3,000 daily. Now, the moment that I heard about this method, the first thing that I thought about was, oh my goodness, I have to show this to my subscribers. It's life-changing. It's a big change. It's a great method with a lot of benefits, and it's all for everybody out there who wants to watch my videos. It's available all over the world. There's no skills needed, no experience needed, because it's super easy to do. It's beginner friendly, and I just really want you guys to earn some money. It's free, so literally nothing. You're gonna learn that in today's video. Just make sure you watch it from start to finish so you don't miss anything, and let's jump right into it. Now, our website for today is called GetPaidTo.com, and you're gonna get paid here to do surveys, play games, you're gonna do quick tasks, finish simple offers online. Just from that, you can already tell that this website really basically pays you money to simply go online and do whatever it is they can ask you to do. Now, it says right here that you're going to earn GPT points to do simple tasks, such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Now, pretty much what I already told you in the very beginning. So how does this work? Okay, so you're going to go through the website and make it your weapon to become super successful, earn so much money. Now, I want you to scroll down to the main page a little bit, and you're gonna find these 3 quick steps. Over here, step 1 is, do you like to tasks like filling in surveys, watching videos, playing games, and more. Step 2, you're gonna earn points, and the conversion rate is very achievable. As you can see, $1 every time you achieve 5,000 points. Now, keep in mind that when you lay your hands on this website, you're gonna discover that 5,000 points is really nothing when it comes to doing tasks on this website, because the income potential is unlimited, meaning all of the tasks pay you a very good amount of points, and it's gonna be easy to reach out $5,000, and you're gonna be cashing out that money right away. And finally, step number 3 is you're gonna get paid. You're gonna redeem your points for gift cards or cash or whatever you want in whatever method is possible for you. And if you scroll down to more, you're gonna see that there are a lot of online games for you to play with. There's so much fun. There's so many interesting stuff here. There's so many high-paying surveys where you can get more points as well. And then there are also offers. You can go on the offer walls and you're gonna get paid to do the offers. So there's a lot that you can do, basically. You can do this in your free time, and they're very quick to do, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes of your day. You can even get rewarded to watch music videos, advertisements, filling in captchas. There's just a lot of things that you can do here. And now we're done with GetPaidTo. You just really have to try this, because you're gonna regret not trying it. And if you can probably already tell, it's a completely brand new method. Now let's move on. Before that, comment down below where you're from and what devices you use. Also, tell me if you're an Android or an iOS user. All this information really helps me figure out what to do for my future videos. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure I get as much output from you guys as possible. Now let's keep going. let's continue with the second website, and it's called Big Time Cash. And this is an app that you can actually download for free on any of your devices, on your mobile device. You can get it on both Google Play and Apple Store, which means it's available on iOS devices and Android devices, which is obviously amazing because it's diverse. Now, it will work perfectly on either one, so whatever you have. Now, as you can see, this is where you can actually win cash by playing free games, as they are trying to share back the revenues. Now, that's just the start, okay? Let's go on over how we can actually do this method and work our way around it. Now, with these 3 steps, okay, step number 1, you're gonna choose one of the many games in the Big Time and collect tons of tickets. And then step 2, you're gonna earn more tickets, and you earn the higher your chance of winning in the cash prizes. And lastly, step number 3, you're gonna win. When the time runs out of the tickets are tabulated and the winner is drawn, here in the homepage, you're gonna see there are so many games that you can play in order for you to start your journey on what games that you actually want to play. Now, before I actually tell you guys what games, obviously I'm going to be showing you what makes the most money. If you stay tuned, you're going to know, and I'm going to show you the secret on what games to actually play so you can make money quickly, fast. But before that, let's scroll a bit lower, and this section, as you can see, has all of the highly satisfied users. Now, the app is just absolutely amazing. Its earning is massive as $4,000, which is absolutely insane. And the average amount of earnings that you can get with Big Time Cash will never go below $1,000. And this is because of all the users that are here. Now, these users are earning from $3,000 all the way up to $4,000. And if you scroll down to more, you're going to find more details about the app that you can read and discover and explore on your own. You can also read about their introduction, their purpose, their goals when they started the platform. There's also this section that has some facts. If you want to read that, go through it. By all means, do it. Now, there is only 1 to 2, 3 games that you can become more and more proficient in the games. You can actually focus on at least 1 to 3, as I've said. Now, this is going to make you a much more effective player, which means you're going to earn a lot more money quickly than, playing multiple games and then earning slowly. So we're going to show you, okay? Now, my personal favorite game is called Galactic Gateway, and it's very easy and very fun. So I want you guys to select this. Try this out. If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing, and by commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified, and you can always be the first to know about the best news only here on Money Shark. Now let's continue. Now, our very last website for today is called Pogo.com. Pogo.com houses one of the largest platforms to play games online, and not only are you going to have a great time and enjoyable time using this website, you're also gonna make a lot of money. Now, this is the website where you can play free online games that just contain so many categories, so many niches, so many different types of games. You can explore the whole page if you want. And based on my experience, I used to play solitaire games, really. It has a huge turnout. So I recommend that these are the type of games you focus on. But if those games aren't your type, then you're always free to explore and discover and try out other games, because the same games, all these games actually pay so much, so it's absolutely insane. Now, you can play whatever you want, obviously, because like I said, whatever you play, it is going to pay you a reasonable amount. So you're going to click on the games one by one to locate the perfect game for you. You can choose to view the guidelines as well. Watch the game walkthroughs, like a little bit of summary, maybe a little bit of a preview. And then, now, some additional methods for you to make more money much faster and easier, because this is a challenge central here. So you can find some challenges. So you can join these challenges. You can refresh it daily or weekly. And I do advise and recommend and suggest that you do complete or take part in these challenges, because it's also a very great way to earn money. So not only can you play games, you can also do the challenges. So it's absolutely amazing, and I'm sure you guys are super interested. So don't waste any time. Sign up for an account, and it's free. Just go ahead and do that. Complete the registration, and then start making some money by playing games. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next one. Comment down below any of your suggestions or your recommendations, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.